Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need to prepare your device and act carefully. Ensure your phone is rooted or jailbroken and you have a full backup. Once done, stop Snapchat auto updates and install a root-capable file manager or SSH client so you can access app bundles. Make sure Snapchat is closed and airplane mode is on to avoid background processes. You're starting with direct file access because this is the only practical method to replace app icon assets safely. Now you'll locate and swap the actual icon file inside Snapchat's bundle. Use your file manager to open the app folder and find the recording icon image asset, typically a PNG or vector inside the resources or assets folder. Export the original so you can revert, then copy in your replacement that matches dimensions and format. Once replaced, set file ownership and permissions to match the original. This ensures Snapchat can read the file without crashing. Finish by rebooting and clearing Snapchat's cache, then open the app to confirm the new recording icon appears. If Snapchat crashes or the icon is missing, restore the backed up original asset, confirm file permissions and ownership, and try again. Keep in mind app updates will overwrite your change, so you'll need to repeat the process after updates. If you want to avoid risk, consider using themes or mods from trusted communities, but understand those carry account and security risks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.